Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be making and unboxing my new rockets video, guys. I got my new rockets, yay! Okay, got a knife, and let's get this bad boy unboxed. I unboxed part of it already, kind of, because, I was making another video, but it was a failure, because, you know, it's a family conversation. Family gone wrong. But it's fixed, so anyway. Let's... Okay, there we go. Oh, wait, what is this? The scorpion? I am not exactly... Wait. Yeah, so this is pointing the right way, I hope. Ooh, bubble wrap. Well, it's actually not. It's actually not considered bubble wrap. This is pretty dang cool. Hope this works. So, yeah, this is basically the unboxing thing, but I'm not going to set it up quite yet. So, yeah, this is a pain in the butt, because it's 6 o'clock. So, anyway, let's read the back, shall we? Or here, I'll show you guys some images on the back. And then the front. Yep, this is the new rocket. And I'm going to put it back in the box now, because I'm not going to launch it until tomorrow. And tomorrow is when I make the video. I know, cool, huh? Well, that's all for today. If you guys liked it, please like and subscribe. Bye. By the way, I saw some more comments from my last video, which is a read your comments, which is just a couple minutes ago. And writer DePaula said, I won't do it again. And then the next one said, no more VUP. And then the next one said, hey, you got my name right. Yeah, that's his last name, guys. He has a last name that you can't say perfectly. But you know what? No one's perfect. So, yeah, that's today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Please like, subscribe. Goodbye for today.